My name is Lillian Allen. I'm a sophomore here at Salem College. My major is nonprofit management, and then I have a double concentration. One of them is public policy and advocacy, and the other is fundraising and resource development. Immediately when I first stepped on campus, it was like one of the open houses that you guys held. It was just such a magical place, and even when I came back with like one of my sisters, they're like, "Lillian, this is the school you need to go to." And I think it was just like the atmosphere. Everyone I talked to always had a smile on their face. And like the cynical part of me was like, that can't be real. So maybe I just wanted to see if it was real. And it turns out that like that magic that I found in Salem, or like my first impression, does still ring true. I worked with Arts North Carolina, and I was able to go to their Arts Day conference last April completely for free on scholarship. It was a one-day conference. It was just a beautiful culmination of everyone in the arts world in North Carolina. They talked about like relief efforts after Hurricane Helene. They talked about getting art back in these damaged communities, and it was just a beautiful showcase for how Salem has like helped me explore both leadership and creativity. The biggest thing I can think of is within my major, like Dr. Cherie Fowler has been able to blend both creativity and leadership in a way that I never thought was imaginable. She is the head of my major. She was also my first year advisor. And so even just taking her first year seminar, it was based around curiosity, but also like in a way that is adaptable to each person. As far as roles on campus go, I have been a member of the Pierrette Players ever since I joined campus. I've been in all three of the productions that we've had here since. And then I'm also a part of the newly refounded Ethics Bowl team, and a member of the Salemite Executive Board as Creative Arts Director and an orientation leader. The first thing that drew me to being an orientation leader was just my experience as being a part of orientation, and it was just such a fun experience. I've met some of the friends that I still have to this day, all because I wore a Marvel t-shirt, and then this one girl thought I really liked Wolverine, and so within a week of knowing each other, we went to see a movie. And so I just thought it would be a lot of fun to be a part of someone else's like journey, because like I'll still see my orientation leaders around campus, or one of them has even graduated, and so it's just fun to like have that connection with people when you first walk in. And then as far as the Salemite goes, that is a new position that I've found myself in, and it's just been so much fun. As creative arts director, I'm in charge of creating a zine. I've decided to create 2 every semester because I wanted to. So the one that's coming out, it's Love is the Escape, and it's just like there might be some tumultuous things going on in your life, but you can always fall back on like the relationships that you have and the love that you have for people. And so I just wanted to encapsulate that. When a student is struggling with doing something like joining the club or talking to the person that's sitting alone, I firmly believe that in every experience you can learn something new. All of the chances that I've taken have reflected positively because I've twisted them positively. I have had experiences that push me outside of my comfort zone, and I'm a better person for it. There are so many great things to do here at Salem College, and you never have to pick just one. This is your sign to come out and try something new. Come and tour Salem College and see for yourself.